In the heart of Enchantia, a curious young girl with a crown of flowers discovers a mysterious hidden cottage. With a gentle touch, she unknowingly sets free a trapped fairy named Lily, unleashing a magical mist into the air. A dark presence covets the power of the potion, plotting to seize control and spread her malevolent will across the land. Together, they embark on a perilous journey to gather the elusive ingredients needed to break the curse that binds the fairy. The forces of darkness conspire to thwart their quest, weaving a web of deceit and danger to hinder their noble mission. In a thrilling showdown of cunning and courage, they face the witch's wrath head-on, determined to overcome her wicked schemes. Faced with defeat, the malevolent sorceress unleashes a final, desperate gambit to ensnare the heroes in her vengeful grasp. United in friendship and bravery, they emerge triumphant, their bond stronger than any darkness that dares to challenge their light. As the sun sets on their adventure, the heroes revel in the joy of a hard-won victory, their hearts filled with love and courage.